A CSV is the abbreviation from comma separated values. CSV file mostly used in Python for analysis purpose because it is easy to handle. So CSV is basically a text file that holds tabular form of data. Data present in CSV file, like tabular data, means rows and column present in the shape of rows and column, like that you seen in spreadsheets and database. Different database are spreadsheets from Excel, data present in rows and form. Similarly, in CSV file, data present in tabular form, but its format is actually text based. Each line in CSV file corresponds to the row. Each line considers the rows and with values in each row separated by commas. Each value is separated by commas. Like I like here 12, 14, 16. So this is considered row in CSV, which is separated by comma, and each entity like this considered as column. Here 2, 4, 7. So this is the column and these are the rows which is separated by commas. You can also separate with different delimiters in CSV file, like semicolon, space and tab. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Statisticians Club and like this video. Thanks for watching.